Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of squatting 50 times every day. Squatting is a fantastic exercise that can help you tone your lower body and improve your overall fitness. Here are some of the benefits you can expect to experience if you squat 50 times every day. Stronger legs. Squats are a compound exercise that targets multiple muscles in your legs, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. By squatting 50 times every day, you'll be giving your leg muscles a great workout, which can help make them stronger and more toned over time. Improved posture. Squats are also great for improving your posture. When you squat, you engage your core muscles and your back muscles, which can help you maintain better posture throughout the day. This can lead to less back pain and better overall health. Increased flexibility. Squatting can also help improve your flexibility. When you squat, you're engaging your hip and ankle joints, which can help increase their range of motion over time. This can be particularly beneficial for older adults who may be experiencing stiffness in these areas. Boosted metabolism. Squats are a great way to get your heart rate up and boost your metabolism. By squatting 50 times every day, you'll be getting your blood pumping and burning calories, which can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. So, there you have it. Squatting 50 times every day can be a great way to improve your leg strength, posture, flexibility, and metabolism. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips.